Hey guys, I'm Noel.
And I'm Joel.
And welcome to
Twin Gizmos,
where we shine light
on Go Gadgets.
Yo!
Brother, you know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's Happy New Year! Well, we got another gadget today in our New Year's box.
What we got there?
Let's see what it is. It's a clean, dirty dishwasher magnet by Vermont Home and Gardens. Let me take it out of the package. Look at this. It's hand illustrated, magnet backing, and it comes with the little adhesive tabs, just in case your dishwasher isn't metal. It slides left for clean and right for dirty. So there's no more guessing if the dishes are clean or not.
It looks very light and durable.
Very light and durable. Okay, brother, can I ask a question?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like this product and do you give it a twin thumbs up or a twin thumbs down?
I don't like it.
It's a twin thumbs down.
I just don't like it.
I like it.
It's unnecessary, that's what I think. But anyways, that's my opinion.
I give it a twin thumbs up because I really think that this is clever idea. I know you can just check the dishes, but there's no time for that. You just want to see if it's clean or dirty. Okay guys, it's time to wrap up another video. And if you like today's product, click the link below and get yourself something cool from Amazon.
Do it.
Wait, just do it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for free to support our channel. And
Share.
and remember, if it's cool, we got you.
Come back and see us.